Hello students, today we will discuss one small activity, that is chemistry activities. How to test three main acids: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. How? By simple test, how can you identify these three acids: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid? Let us discuss. Now I am taking this three acid solution. This is your hydrochloric acid. I am taking the first test tube, hydrochloric acid. Then second test tube, I am taking sulfuric acid. This is sulfuric acid. Then in third test tube, I am taking nitric acid. So three acids taken in three test tubes. If you see the color, these three acid solution both are colorless. So physically they cannot be identified. These three acid solution both are colorless. It is colorless, it is also colorless, it is also colorless. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. All three types of acid solution are colorless. But how can you identify, how can you test this solution is what type of acid? Remember, for hydrochloric acid, very common test of hydrochloric acid is easy test is if you add silver nitrate solution. This is silver nitrate solution. This is the silver nitrate solution. If you add silver nitrate solution to hydrochloric acid, you see the observation. If you add silver nitrate solution to hydrochloric acid, you see what will be the observation. What is the observation? The white precipitate is formed. White precipitate is formed if silver nitrate solution is added to dilute hydrochloric acid. So what happens here? Silver nitrate solution reacts with hydrochloric acid, produce silver chloride. This silver chloride is white, water insoluble. It is white color, water insoluble. That's why it is obtained as white precipitate. That indicates the solution, the acid solution is hydrochloric acid. So what are the taste of hydrochloric acid? Silver nitrate solution. Okay? Similarly, for sulfuric acid, for testing sulfuric acid, this is dilute sulfuric acid. For test of sulfuric acid, the main reagent is barium chloride solution. If you add barium chloride solution, this is barium chloride solution. If you add to sulfuric acid, you see the observation. Same white precipitate is formed if you add barium chloride to sulfuric acid. So barium chloride solution will give white precipitate to sulfuric acid because barium sulfate will be formed. When barium chloride solution will be added to sulfuric acid, it will produce barium sulfate. Barium sulfate is water insoluble. That's why it is produced as white precipitate. This is the similarly for hydrochloric acid, if you add silver nitrate solution, it gives white precipitate of silver chloride, which is water insoluble. Then the taste of nitric acid. The nitric acid contain nitrate ion, NO3 minus ion. It can be tested by brown ring test. That test of nitric acid is brown ring test. If you take this dilute nitric acid which contains nitrate ion, then we will add ferrous sulfate. Then we will add ferrous sulfate solution to nitric acid. If you add ferrous sulfate solution to freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution, if you add freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution, if you take this freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution will be added to this nitric acid. So the solution contain nitric acid, then ferrous sulfate solution. Nitric acid and ferrous sulfate solution. To this solution, now we will add concentrated sulfuric acid. Side of the test tube, you see the observation. This is your nitric acid solution, then followed by ferrous sulfate solution, then sulfuric acid will be added at the side of the test tube. At the side of the test tube, then I am adding sulfuric acid. Just you observe. You see what happens. What happens here? A reddish, that brown color solution is produced at the upper layer. Here what happens? You see at the bottom also one reddish brown color solution is produced. So that indicates the solution contain nitrate ion. As nitric acid contain nitrate ion NO3 minus, so NO3 minus can be chemically tested by brown ring test. So when you take nitrate solution, that is nitric acid, then followed by ferrous sulfate solution, then followed by sulfuric acid, then it gives reddish brown color. That reddish brown color produced due to formation of complex. The complex is FeS2O whole 5 NO whole bracket 2 plus. That is penta aqua nitrosyl iron 2. Penta aqua nitrosyl iron 2 complex is formed, whose color is reddish brown. That indicates the presence of nitrate. So in this way, you can, very small test you can also conduct in the laboratory to identify the acids. Okay.